Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I apologise now for the sound of the wind. It is a bit windy today. But I thought I'm taking Mason for a walk and I should show you what is my new foraging grounds. Since they've been doing the waste ground, I've had to find a new place to take Mason for a walk. And I don't particularly want to take him around the streets and that. And a few streets away, see, it's close to the main road, so you can hear their cars. But there's all this expanse of greenery. So I've been bringing him around it here. And this, earlier on in the year, a few months ago, was covered in dandelions, including the bank bit. So I made a dandelion jam and a dandelion wine. There's nettles around here. I haven't done anything with the nettles this year, but I thought I'd just show you a new place that we've got to go for a walk. There are loads of blackberry brambles here in this one place where I'm standing, and on the other side and over the rise of a hill. So I can get loads of blackberries, and as you can see by the grass cuttings on the road, the council do come and keep down on these grass verges. Sorry about this wind again. But I've also found 4 elderberry trees, well, elder trees. I wish this had smelly vision for you. It's been the right day to bring Mason for his walk out here, because with the council been cutting the verges, they haven't got down this far yet. It's a lovely, I love the smell of cut grass, fresh cut grass, and the smell around here is lovely. And also the sound of the birds chirping. You could just be in the middle of the country, and you're not. You're in the middle of town. But this is one of the alder trees I've found. Found a few others, but this is so easily accessible to me, because here's the path that I walk on, and here's the elder. That is really accessible to me. They just, 1 or 2 come out and started to flower, but there's loads left to come. So in the next week or so I've got to sort out buckets and that, and I'm going to do loads of elderflower champagne, definite. And I think I'll collect some today, and I'm going to see if I can dehydrate them. So I'll try that. Yes. But I haven't got my foraging bag. I've got poo bags, I'll show, or a load in poo bags. Right. Thank you. Just thought I'd share my new foraging grounds. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.